Hi, in this video we will see what is radians function in Tableau. So the name of this function itself suggests that it will convert the number into the radian. So in order to use this function, let's create one calculation field. And type the function. So here we can see the radian function takes one input as a number, and on the right side we can see the definition. So the radian converts a number in degrees to radian. So basically the number we are putting inside this function as an input, for example, let's say 20. So this 20 isn't just a number. This number, so this function takes this number as a degree. So this is a 20 degree actually. So it is not just a number, it is converting 20 degree to radians. So after that, click on apply. Okay. Take this radian function and drop it onto the text, and after that click on this drop down, click on measure and select average. So we can see here the output it is showing now. This is 0.3491. So this is the value of 20 degree in radian. So if I go into my function, my field again, so here you can see if you want to change this. Let's say if you want to know the value of 30 degree in radians, apply. So this is the value 0.5236, and so on. We can also change. So, for example, if you want to know the value of cos 30 in radians, so cos 30, we all know that cos 30 cos function returns the cosine value of a particular angle. So in this case, I chose the angle 30. So first it will calculate the value as a cos 30, and then after it will return the radians of cos 30. Click on apply and see. We get the output as a 0.002692. So this is the value of radians of cos 30. So this is the function which is called radians. So this is how we can use this function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.